everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in the Fall DIY Farmhouse Challenge. It's hosted by two amazing and sweet ladies, one at Schwowin's Nest, sorry if I'm not pronouncing it right, and the other one at my blessed nest. Both of them are amazing, as I always say, my favorite word, and I will leave the link to their channels in the description box, so please visit both channels. I will also leave the link to the playlist with all the videos included in this challenge. So I hope you will enjoy those videos and get inspired. What I'm doing today, I have several of these chargers that I'm not using anymore. Let me tell you something. Be careful when you buy these chargers from Dollar Tree. When you enter and look for these ones, you will see the image of a brown charger, and if you are not careful, as I wasn't, and don't read the description, you will get gray chargers. They show a brown one, but the description says gray, and when you open the box they are gray. I used some stain, and fortunately I could transform them in brown ones, but it's not the color I wanted. But well, I saved the day because I used them for Thanksgiving 2 years ago, and I was in panic when I saw them. Okay, the first thing I did was to, sorry, my glue gun is, okay, it's not behaving. I used this twine. If I not remembering wrongly, I bought it at the dollar spot in Target. I'm not quite sure, but I'm almost sure that I bought it there. So I glued with the hot glue 3 of these pieces of twine all around this side of the charger. Then I wanted to transfer the words "Hello Fall" here and here. I download them from internet and I printed them on vellum paper, as I always do, because it's great. You can see exactly where you are placing the whatever you are going to transfer, and if you move the paper a little bit, you can see exactly where to place it again, something that doesn't happen when you use plain white paper. But I couldn't find any way to transfer those words to this surface. So I ended up doing my best and trying to copy the words. And I don't know, I'm not quite happy with the result, but it's not a disaster. I also printed on vellum paper this pumpkin. It was in one piece at the beginning, and I went around. I used this marker, my beloved Markthon marker, and I wrote the letters, and then I went all around the border of the vellum paper pumpkin. But then I wanted to add different pieces of scrapbooking paper, and so I cut the pumpkin in several pieces, and I used them as template to cut the papers. Then I started adhering those pieces of papers to the background, and I left this one that I'm going to glue now for you to see. I'm using this glue that I love because of the both of the different sides, and I refill them whenever the glue runs out, I just remove this part and I refill them. Okay, so what I did was to add this glue to the place where I want to add my piece of scrapbooking paper. And then I added it. As it is really hard to cut them exactly to the size of the marks in the background, I just went over the places where the different papers touch each other with the marker, like so. And again here. And here. Well, have to be careful, but it works anyway. Oh, I'm going over the paper because of course I'm on camera and I'm not doing it as I do it when I'm not filming. So I will probably remove this one and cut another one and adhere it here because I don't like how this looks. But you get the idea of what I'm doing. Then I'm going to finish this piece of decor. Here you have the different pieces that I used as a template. I'm going to add this wreath from Dollar Tree. I made a mark where I'm going to add a bow. So here is going to be the wreath. I'm going to add this bow that I made with raffia. That was from another project. And I'm going to add this bow that I made with the same ribbon that I place all around the wreath. Is this ribbon that I bought from China on eBay. You can see it here. I think I need to buy more. So I'm going to add one, a little bit more. It was hard to find a wreath that is completely round. This is kind of an oval, but anyways, it's going to work. It seems it's glued already. I may need to add this 6000 or something because it's not gluing well to the ribbon, the purple ribbon. And now I'm going to add this cute little bow here. Like so. And I'm going to glue the wreath to the charger out of camera because I don't want to spend your time, my time and your time watching me gluing a wreath. That's something you know how to do. So I'll be right back. I'm back now. I have my item finished, and I cut a little bit of the tails of this raffia ribbon because you couldn't even read the word hello. I added both of the bows, yes, with more glue because they were falling apart. And then I remembered I had these tiny, beautiful, cute mini pumpkins that, if you follow me, you know already. If not, you're knowing it now. My daughter and I are dumpster divers, so this is one of the things we found in a dumpster last year, and I thought it was a great addition for the center of the bowl, so I glued them. I tried to fix the mistake I made here, making the lines more bold, more wide, and I don't know, maybe I will remove the pieces and do them all over again, but for now I'm going to leave them as they are. And I also added in the back a piece of a ribbon with hot glue, tons of hot glue, and then I added this stick to fix it and make sure it's going to stay in place, because this is heavy, so if I'm going to hang it from a wall, you know, it may, the ribbon may come loose and everything will end up in the floor. So this is it for this video. I hope you like this. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you do all that, all your dreams will come true, I promise. Please. Thank you so much to the hostesses for hosting this challenge. Please visit their channels and the playlist. Thank you to all the participants, and thank you to all of you for watching this video and for supporting my channel. Hope to see you in my next video, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye bye.